So now let's see how we can work around with distance map filter inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the distance map filter, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here and then go to generic and select distance map. So once you do that, you can see that it detects like what distances are near and far right here. So to create out 3D photos, you can see that you can go around and change around the distance map, as you can see right here. Like you can go around, change around the threshold low right here, and then change around the value right here until you get the values right. So over here you can see that this is the distance for the bench right here. So you can go around and change this out, and you can see that the white area is the one with the far up distance, and the one with the black is nearer. So you can also go around over here and change around the threshold right here, as you can see right here, to make it more smoother or make it more, let's say for example, brighter right here. You can also go around and go for grayscale averaging right here to go around and average out how everything actually smoothens out. So this does take a bit of time, as you can see right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here, change around the threshold right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can go around and change around the normalization right here as well, and then you get more of a black and white right here, as you can see right here. You can even change around the opacity, as you can see right here, and you can see the before and after as well. So let me just go around over here and normalize this out right here, because I do want a distance map like this. And then let me just go around, change around the threshold high and low right here. So once I go around and do that, you can go around, see the before and after right here, and then work around with the split preview, as you can see right here, just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can go around and press OK, and that is how you can create a distance map inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.